Hey everyone, welcome to the Stock Scholar. Today we're going to take a deep dive into the fascinating small cap stock in the NBFC sector. NBFC means non-banking financial company. So the stock is Key Corp Ltd. Let's get right into it. First, let's talk about the company itself. It was founded in the year 1985 and listed on the BSE under the ticker symbol 507948. As a NBFC company, NBFC, Key Corp Limited primarily focuses on vehicle financing, offering products like hire purchase and leasing. Over the year, it's managed to carve out a niche in this competitive space. Though being a small player, it faces both exciting growth opportunities and unique challenges. Now, when we look at Key Corp's financial performance, the revenue story is quite impressive. The company has reported a total revenue of about 76.5 crores for the trailing 12 months, with an astounding one-year revenue CAGR of 110%. This incredible growth rate highlights the company's ability to scale rapidly and capture the market share in the vehicle finance segment. Now let's talk about the profitability. For any NBFC, key metrics like ROE and ROC, which is the return on equity and return on capital employed, are the critical indicators. So Key Corp Limited is delivering some great results. Its ROE has surged to 57%, showing that the company is generating high returns on shareholders' equity. Similarly, the ROC is equally strong, demonstrating efficient capital management despite the challenges of the financial sector. One of the standout metrics of Key Corp is its OPM, which is the operating profit margin, is consistently hovers above 95%, which is very rare in any sector, especially in the finance industry. These margins are a proof to the company's strong revenue model and excellent cost management. So, if you are an investor who values profitability, Key Corp should be in your radar. Now let's talk about the company's balance sheet strength. Key Corp has some impressive features here. For one, it's a debt-free company, always a positive in the today's volatile market, with total assets of around 78 crores and no long-term debt. The company is well positioned to take any economic storms. A debt-free balance sheet means lower financial risk, which is especially very attractive in current economic climate. Additionally, Key Corp Limited has investments in the mutual funds, adding liquidity and flexibility to its asset base. When we look at its ownership structure, the promoters hold a total of 69.08% of its shares. This is usually a good sign because high promoter holding offers often signals confidence in the company's future. The rest of the shares are held by the public. Though there are institutional interest is still relatively low, that means that the stock is largely under the radar of large institutional investors. Key Corp is a small cap stock with a market capitalization of approximately 180 crores. Over the past year, the stock price has surged by more than 423%. This is a clear indicator of strong investor interest and potentially high growth trajectory. However, keep in mind that small cap stocks can be very volatile, so it's important to balance the potential for high returns with the risk involved. If you are someone who prefers dividend paying stocks, then Key Corp Limited will not be the best fit for you. Historically, the company has reinvested its profits back into the business to fund growth rather than paying out dividends. But so if you are someone looking for income generating investments, you want to consider other options. In terms of competition, Key Corp Limited operates in a crowded space with very big players like Bajaj Finance, Shriram Finance, and L&T Finance Holdings. These companies have massive resources and much broader product portfolio. However, Key Corp's focus on the niche in the vehicle financing sector will be an advantage for it, especially with its debt-free balance sheet and high profitability. If it continues to execute well in this segment, there's a potential for it to grow its market share and carve out a more significant presence. Of course, no investment comes without its risk. Key Corp Limited, being a smaller player in the NBFC sector, it's particularly exposed to credit risk and economic fluctuations. Since the company is highly concentrated in the vehicle finance sector, any downturn in the auto industry could negatively impact its business. So to wrap things up, Key Corp Limited presents an exciting investment opportunity for those who are looking for high growth potential in the NBFC space. The company has strong financials, impressive profitability, and a debt-free balance sheet, all of which makes it stand out. However, as with any small cap stock, it's important to weigh the potential rewards against the risks, particularly the volatility and sector-specific challenges. Diversification is the key, so make sure Key Corp Limited fits within your broader investment strategy. Thanks for watching the video. If you found this analysis helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. I'd love to hear from you your thoughts, and let me know in the comments if you want me to analyze any specific stocks or sectors. See you in the next video.